Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you want to watch next or how Google Maps predict traffic so accurately? Well, that's the data science in action. And trust me, it's not just for coders or engineers. Hey students, welcome back to my channel at the rate said by Siley. I am Siley and you are watching the Career Kickstart playlist where your career confusion ends and clarity begins. Whether you are in 12th, freshly graduated, or still figuring out what to do, this series is your go to guide for high potential career, practical tips, and no nonsense advice. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most in demand and high paying career of this decade, data science. Yes, you have heard this buzzword, but what really is data science? Can you start journey right after the 12th? What are the best courses, colleges, and skills you need? Stick around till the end because I'll also share the smart suggestion for the students planning to enter in data science after graduation. Let's turn your curiosity into a clear path. Let's get started. Section 1. What is data science? Data science is like being a detective but for data. It's a mix of maths, statistics, computer science, and business understanding. Data scientists collect information, clean it, analyze it, and use it to make a predictions or solve problems. Section 2. Why choose data science after 12? Simple. The demand is booming. It's future proof career and you can work from anywhere even remotely. Salaries are excellent. Even the freshers and best part is it's a skill based field, not mark based. Section 3. Who is suited for a career in data science? If you are love solving problems, enjoy numbers and curious about how things work and don't mind learning to code, then data science could be the perfect for you. Even if you don't know coding now, you can learn it step by step. Section 4. Eligibility. Anyone from a science or a commerce with a maths can pursue this degree. Ideally, 50 to 60% marks are enough in 12. Colleges may have entrance exam or direct admissions based on the merit. Section 5. Educational pathways after 12. You can go for BSc in data science or statistics. Second one, BCA with the data science specialization, BTech in computer science or big data analytics, or even integrated course, which is BSc plus MSc. Choose what suits your learning style and goals. Section 6. Top colleges in India. Some of the best institutes include IITs, University, Amity, Shiv Nadar University, and more. They offer full-time degrees in data science or related areas. Section 7. Colleges in Maharashtra. If you are from Maharashtra or Pune, good news is you have top colleges like Ferguson, MIT, Symbiosis, VIT Pune, and SPPU offering excellent programs related to data science and statistics. Section 8. Essential skills to learn. Start building these skills like learn Python programming, understand basic statistics and maths, try tools like Excel, get familiar with the machine learning basics. Section 9. If you have already completed your graduation in BSc, BCA, engineering, pharmacy or commerce and you are thinking, can I still make a career in data science? Then answer is yes, you can. Here is what you need to do. Step 1. Start learning the basics like Python, SQL, statistics, excel. You don't need to be an expert. Just start learning slowly and regularly. Step 2. Take online courses. You can try Google, Data Analytics, IBM Data Science, or free courses available on YouTube. Step 3. Practice with the real data. Make small projects like for sales prediction, analyzing customer data. Share your work on LinkedIn to show your skills. Step 4. Try to do internships, even small ones. They will give you a real experience and help you get a better jobs. Step 5. Choose your interests like healthcare, finance, or social media and go deeper in that area. Students, even if you are not from a technology background, with the practice and patience, you can become a data scientist. Section 10. Career opportunities and salary outlook. Job role includes data analyst, junior data scientist, ML engineer, business intelligence analyst, data engineers. Salaries start at 4 to 8 lakhs and can go up to 50 lakhs as per you gain experience. Section 11. Top recruiters. Everyone needs data scientists. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Indian companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and global firms, Accenture, even startups and edtech companies like Byju's hire data professionals. And the last section, Siley's bonus tips. Step 1. Strengthen your maths and logical basic. Step 2. Choose your course wisely. Step 3. Practice coding and work on real projects. Step 4. Never stop learning. This is a fast moving field. And step 5. And the most importantly, believe in yourself. Even top data scientists started with the no knowledge. So you can do it too. Students, this was just a one step in your journey. If you found a value in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel @Said by Siley for more career guidance, motivational stories and smaller life tips. Students, remember, direction is more important than speed. Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next episode of Career Kickstart. Until then, believe in yourself. Bye bye.